everything dies down. And then when it dies down, it's sebaka is because there's fuel behind it.
Okay.
Ne ya pompi or okay. Shabu was pomp.
Yeah.
So now the generation NA celebrated June 16th. Those are our mothers, little mama. Those people understood it very well. Ne? And then rena he re krea le lena bosbu we kra from first hand ya motho ya experience itseng to you
Yeah.
which makes more sense for you because you got clear. So now when you teach your kids or when your kids teach their kids it's already in a broken telephone where not because you are knowledgeable enough for June 16. Those other ones, even if you take it or pass it through bona, they might not understand how you understood it and how your parents understood it. Ne?
Yeah.
Because now however you talk about now you're gonna focus on your generation, the generation of now. Moja lavu, regerelo mama. Banaba, bano. Now there's AI. They're growing up. There's AI.
They are nonsense.
They don't understand how pila. What was the feeling in June 16? People are now they passed on. They passed on. So le opompa June 16. I suppompiwa like it used to before.